How to check watch history on X or Twitter. If any day you are an X user or the Twitter user and you would like to check your watch history on the X or the Twitter account but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device. After you go to the search icon on your mobile device, you have to search X there. After you search X there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very X application, and after you tap on the very X application, you can see the interface that your very X application is launched on your very mobile device. Now you have to go to the profile like section on the top side, and after you go to the profile like section on the top side, you have to scroll down until you find the option of the settings there. Now you have to go to the option of the settings and privacy. After you tap on the option of the settings and privacy, now you have to go to the option of your account and tap on it. After you go to the option of your account, now you have to go to the option of download and archive of your data and tap on that. After you tap on the option of download and archive of your data, now you can see an interface like this. Now it will show like this. Now after an interface like this is shown here, now you have to tap on your password there, and after you tap on your password and verify it and download it, the very archive of your data will be downloaded on your very mobile device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.